Good morning, traders. I greet you all. My name is Okoyeocha. I want to bring you the advancement of the Elliott Wave analysis as I do every week. Okay, so watch and listen carefully so that you don't miss anything I say. Though you can always come back and watch it. Okay, so as I say always, be careful about scammers. Don't be scammed. Trading is not easy. If it is easy, everybody will be a millionaire. Those who will tell you that he made so and so money, so and so amount within 1 month, within 2 months, the truth is that if they're making that money, they won't have the time to come and tell you about it. They will relax in the comfort zone and be making it. Only their close friends can link you to them. So for you to make money, you take your time and learn. And so that's why I'm doing this. I took my time and learn, and I'm also doing this so that I will help those, I will teach those who want to learn with a fee, not free. Okay, you can join my Telegram channel, it's free. I share updates from there from time to time. Though I have a group for students, that's where I share everything. Whatever you see me doing, I will teach you how to do it if you join my students. Please like, share, and subscribe. The more you share my video, the more it gets to a wider audience. And that's the way you might save somebody who is wallowing in darkness. Trading is 99% mechanical, which includes psychology, emotion control, and so on. So if you can't control your emotions, you cannot trade perfectly. You may see a trade out of fear, you won't take it. You may see a trade which is not matured. Out of fear of missing out, you take it and lose. So psychology plays a lot of role in forex trading. So you must know how to control your greed and emotions. Thank you for listening. So let's dive into the business of the day. Okay, that's why I said that the possibility of getting a new high is still here. So on this daily chart, nothing have changed. We are looking for the completion of this C. So to give us a flat for a drop. After this drop, then we will know whether we will get this or we get correction and go down. So we don't have much time to waste on the XY. So you can see now how it is developed. This is A, B, then this will see once it completes, then we are good to go. Though it can go up from here, but for me to buy it, I want to see it drop to this zone. Then I'll look for buy. That's the only way I can buy it, because the next buy level is this place. Here is the next buy level. If it doesn't come to this zone, the next buy will be here. And if you check, the risk reward will not be much. So I would like to see it give me this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 before I buy. So that's my own opinion. That's my own view on that. Okay, USD doing opposite of DSY. Do opposite of DSY. Okay, so as you can see, we are getting an A, B, C. So once this is complete, I will sell from here for a new low. I will say maybe 1.06 or lower before I begin to look for buy. That's for USD. USD card. USD card. Let's go to daily. For more than 2 weeks now, or even 1 month, I said that we likely get this ABC. So it is happening now. Okay, so I'm looking for the completion of this before I think of buying. I won't think of buying USD card until I see this around this 1.3 zone. Okay, going down to 4 hours. If you didn't join it from here at this break and at this break, maybe if you get a nice correction, because it will surely correct. You can now sell, but don't sell from here. It's too risky to sell from here because we will likely see something like this before it will sell again. Market doesn't go in a one-way traffic. It will always go up and down and continue going where it is going. So that's for USD CAD, USDCHF, USDCHF. What do we have? Let's go to daily again. Last week, I told you that this very move is correction, that it will break it and go down. Now it has broken it, and fortunately, it have also given us correction. So now, if you miss the first selling, you can join the second selling. Here is the stop loss. Even if it goes higher, it will still drop. So you can trade this. It's a short bet, I tell you. Okay. Away from there, pounds USD. Pounds USD. What do we have? Pounds USD. Let's see daily charts. You know, for a long time, I'm telling you that this is my ultimate target. But before that, let's watch this line. Once this line is broken, I'm saying that this is my target on this. But before that, let's watch this A, B, C to know if it will turn into a bigger correction. Okay, so this is what I'm targeting. But first of all, let us check this drop. Once market drop to this zone, we know what next, whether it will go up before going down or it will break it and go down. So that's for daily. Let's go down to 4 hours. So 4 hours, you can see we have a very nice A, B, C, which is almost completed. So selling from here will be a good idea. And here will be your stop loss if you sell from there. So is what the risk is worth taking. So because this one I see it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As with A, then with B and with C. So it's the same market. I don't see any reason to buy pounds USD now. AUDUSD. AUDUSD is like pounds USD also. We are looking for sell. And the selling is almost at the selling point. You can see the daily chart. This is A, B, C. No, the one thing here is that it is possible that this wave C have completed here. It's possible. But for now, I'm looking for a drop until the market closes above this zone. Once we go above this zone, then I will know that we are no longer coming down here. But for now, we are still coming down here. So let's check 4 hours. 4 hours, though this move is very sharp, but it still look correctively. Anyway, you can see this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this can be an A, B, C. So now, remember I always say no setup, no trade. This is the versus zone, sure, but I will be looking for sell setup. These are the things I teach my students. You can sell blindly and you will be lucky it goes for you. But if you have a setup and sell, even if you lose little. So from here, I'll be looking for sell setup from here. That's for AUDUSD. New Zealand USD. New Zealand USD is more comfortable trading than AUDUSD. So New Zealand USD, we are looking at this is ABC. Is a kind of good structure. Okay, let's see the daily also. Now, we are looking for this completion of this ABC, which means the C haven't gotten to the standard reversal zone. So in my opinion, we will still get this drop. In my opinion, we will still get that drop. So though not a must, it will happen, but that's what I'm expecting. If it happens, then fine. From here, I will be looking for buy. So why am I saying this? To trade this, I'm looking for sell. And this looks corrective in nature. If you're a technical trader, you know about Elliott Wave or wave analysis, you know that this looks like a typical ABC. So I'm looking for sell on the USD. JP225. JP225. Let me show you something on this one. I think on something on weekly. Okay, not daily. So this drop seems that here is the reversal place, and the minimum I'm looking at, is 38.5, in which if it happens, we will likely even get another drop to 61 before buying continues. Okay, you know, this is forecast speculation so low. So we get set up before we now buy. So now I want to sell this. You know, there are some times it makes sense to sell or buy blindly. If markets look so obvious, you can risk and sell it from here. Then here is stop loss. Then to be conservative, you go down to 1 hour and look for sell setup. There's no sell setup yet. Now let me tell you why I say no sell setup yet. One, the market can begin to drop from here. Two, it can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 before dropping. So I have seen all sorts of market structures. When you expect this, the other will happen. But once you have the knowledge, you always know when to sell and when to buy. And you know, and not to guarantee that every trade must be profit. No. You lose some, you win some, but you don't lose carelessly. And you don't lose carelessly. So that's why that's what the knowledge from blind traders. Okay, so I'm looking for this before I will buy, because the wave 4 being here with all this big move, to me is too small to be the end of wave 4. So that's why I'm looking for this drop. Okay, EURJPY. EURJPY. Daily. Let's check daily. Okay. Another the same scenario is here again. Now, the possibility of EURJPY giving us a bigger correction, A, B, C, is here. Which means if that is the case, it means that this wave 4 will be here. Okay, but nevertheless, let's leave it where it is. Let's go to 4 hours. On the 4 hours, we can see that after this ABC, which this wave 4, which can be down here, we can get a bigger ABC. But now let's assume that wave 4 is still here. Okay, now so on this very move, this is this ABC, B, and C. At least we will trade down to 147.4, 147.00 before we know whether we will get this product drop or we buy from here. What I'm trying to say, it is too risky to buy USDPY from here, because the buying might have ended here. Okay, let me label this A, B, C. So this A, B, C might have ended here because of this very sharp drop. It's a sign of a reversal. It's a kind of a reversal candle. Okay. Which will give us the bigger A, B, C before we now buy. Okay. So be cautious of that. Okay, USDJPY. USDJPY, let's see daily here also. Okay, daily is obvious we are still going higher. We will at least come to 142.7, 144, 146, or even 148 before we have a big sell. For now, let's go down about 4 hours again. 4 hours is making a correction, which we see this drop. Now, we have 2 bias. My own bias is that if I see this drop, I will buy. If I don't see it, I will not buy until it goes above this zone and give me a nice structure. Meanwhile, this very move here is also a structure, but looking at a bigger time frame. Either we get this or we get this. We get this. This move, this move, this move, something like this before buying. So because of that, I prefer to see either this or this before I buy. Because if you buy from here, when it comes to this zone and begin to go back, you become confused. It can come to this zone, so give for this A, B, C, and drop even to this zone before buying again. So if it comes to this zone, I will just look for buy around here and buy. That's how I will trade this. Pounds JPY. Pounds JPY. What are we looking for? Let's go to daily also. Pounds JPY is almost at our expected reversal zone. You know, just as I said last week, that reversal zone doesn't mean it will automatically reverse from there. No, it is where you will be looking for your reversal. Okay, I want to explain this because you can come here and sell blindly. It may favor you, or it will go a little lower and begin to go up again. So I'm looking for the reversal zone to sell. Let me check 1 hour. Would I enter to see 1 hour? 1 hour. 1, 2, 3. It's look like A, B, C anyway. So, okay, let me move this to this place. If market drops below this place, I'll begin to look for my sell setup. But if I get sell setup at a higher level, I will sell from the higher level. Okay, let's go to gold. Gold, my darling gold. Gold, daily, anything on daily on gold. Wow. Okay. Gold, I'm expecting gold at least to come to this channel before anything else, before either more sell or buy from here. So let's see 4 hours. 4 hours, 4 hours is giving us a corrective pattern. Okay. So this move here is corrective in nature. This is A, B, C. Though it seems it will go lower from here. Okay, if it goes lower from it's going to go lower from here, then the ideal is that to sell below this zone, or you can place set it up this zone, stop loss this place. Okay, but I would like to see it come to this zone. Then I will sell and target this zone. That's for gold. Silver. Silver is perfectly set for trading. Silver have gotten to 100% reversal zone and is now dropping. So there's no much to say about silver, unless you don't know what setup is. Okay, so silver doesn't need too much talk. Okay, other than it is selling already. Platinum I need some things to explain on platinum. Let me go to daily. Okay, platinum can, if gold does not continue to drop, platinum can give us a break of this channel. So I'm expecting the platinum to begin to buy from this channel, but it may break it and go deeper. I remember last 2 weeks or last week I said that platinum can give us a deeper move. Okay, so you know, as markets as market updates, we keep following it. So for now, let's go back to 4 hours. On 4 hours, we can see what we have on platinum. This A, B, C, which can be W. Then this can be, I'm expecting an A, B, C, which will give us X. Then we trade Y. And if it is, if it will be WXY, it will go deeper than this channel. So let me go lower to 1 hour for the sake of those who would like to trade it. Now, as long as this has gotten to 88.6, I'm not looking for a deeper drop again. So you can buy it right now. Stop loss will be here. Then target will be here. Or you can wait, let it break this place. Then you decide whether you will buy from here and close from here, or you will wait for it to complete the move around here, and then you sell. Okay, that's for platinum. US oil. US oil. During the week, I spotted this ABCDE forming, and I shared it on my Telegram channel for those who are following. Now we have 2 scenarios in this place. All of them are pointing to buy, but the one I prefer is to get this ABCDE, expanded triangle. That's the one I prefer. You know, nobody controls the market. It may not happen. Then another scenario is that it is just an ABC, which means this wave B is here, and this is wave 1 of the, or maybe wave A of the next move that will complete this. This can be wave A, then A, B, C, wave B here. Then wave C will give us 5 waves and complete before selling. Okay, so that is it. And if this is the case, I will not buy oil. Rather, I will wait for it to come to this zone. Then I will sell this. Here is where we get more profit. But if the oil drops to this zone, I will buy it from here and sell it from here. Okay. For you to be a good trader, you must be selective. You must have something you will trade in mind. If this happens, I trade. If it doesn't happen, I don't trade. You mustn't trade everything. If you're going to trade everything, you will be losing much, because markets can change at any time. Okay, having said that, let's go to US 100, NASDAQ. US 100, I think we are going to see weekly on this, right? Okay, US 100. Now, there's something cooking on this very chart. So this big A, B, C, this see we begin to drop. You know, this is about 6,000 pips, but it will take not less than 300 days to complete. When it starts, it haven't started. So don't go and open sell because you see this. Don't call me if you lose. Okay, going back to daily, we are approaching a reversal zone, but have not reversed. Okay, be patient and wait for it to reversal before you can now sell. What do you do when it reverses? You begin to look for sell only, sell until it completes the move. That's an ideal and beauty of being a wave trader. You will know when to focus on selling and what to focus on buying. So for now, there's no clear sign of selling, rather clear sign of buying. Because why? From what I'm counting here, we are between wave 3, 4, and 5. So whenever market is in this type of situation, you begin to you better wait, because wave 5 can be an extended wave. You can presume that wave 5 is always little above wave 3, and it will keep extending. That's the fact. So that's why you need patience in trading. So let me show you one hour also, but I don't think that there's anything to show on 1 hour. Not to show on 1 hour, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know, but for now, this wave 5 we are looking at might have ended, or it will go up again to complete, or it will reverse. So the point is, for now, on my own, I don't know how you trade. I don't have anything to trade here for now until I see reason to buy or sell for now, because why this wave 4 can come somewhere here. That you may get a drop, and it will buy again. Okay, so that is it. S&P 500. S&P 500. Yeah. Last week I said that. Last week I said that we are buying. That the buying is not complete yet. So there's nothing to explain other than it is still buying. Maybe we are coming to 43, 439, 44, and 44, 44, 45, 4400, 4500 before we sell. So I don't have anything to explain here. I don't have anything to explain here. So it's still buying. US 30. US 30. Anything on daily? US 30 is buying. After breaking this zone, is now buying. So just it's buying anyway. I don't know. Just look for buy setup. That's all for this. One, two, three, 4. So we will likely get what we call expanding flat. Sorry, running flat before continue buying. So it is buying. It's making, I can see it is making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 before it continue going somewhere else. Okay, that's for US 30. I have to. I apologize for those who trade cryptos. That's 2 weeks. I didn't have chance to make cryptos analysis last week. I didn't have chance again, but I will try to do it now. And thank you for watching. God bless you. Like, share, subscribe, comment, ask questions. Join my Telegram channel. It's free. It's free. If you join my students, I will also guide you on how to choose the best prop firm and aid you in passing it. Thank you and God bless you.